guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays. If you're new here, I'm Alex. Today I want to show you 2 new kits from the Spine Ninjas. I have both of them. That's right. I got both of them. I got the Spine Ninja one, and I got the Project Zorgo one. I'm going to show you the Spine Ninja one first. It comes with 3 gadgets and 2 cards, with 2 activity books. The first gadget is this, the Ninja Noise Enhancer. See this? Let's put this by the camera here. And turn up the microphone. See the microphone that extends. Hit the button. Now let me know if you guys can hear me. Hi. Hi. Hello, can you hear me through this thing? I'm pretty sure that worked. I'm gonna watch this video and see if I heard myself. So anyways, next up we have the Secret Message Spy Pen. Take it up, and it looks like an ordinary pen. See? Every pen works. But it ain't just an ordinary pen. If we take up this, there's always something. There's always something. There's always something. Just like a normal invisible ink pen. Look at that. One more cool thing I need to show you. This could literally turn you blind in a few seconds. I mean, literally. It is a really bright light, so yeah. And the last thing in this kit that I want to show you is this, the decoder wheel, the small decipher coder wheel. You can use this in one of the activity books that I'm about to show you. It has little symbols on it. Alright, let me get my books. Alright, here's the thing with all my books in it. I'm gonna open up the envelope. And I got both of my books. Oh boy, I hold everything upside down. Code breaking guide and evidence detection guide. The code breaking guide uses this, as I said before, and the evidence detection guide. I'm gonna get to something that I haven't showed you yet. As I said, there were 2 cards in it, right? Because there actually are 2 cards. The decoder card and the other card. It's called this might just look like an ordinary card. Like literally just a card. Official Spine Ninja, yeah, blah blah blah. With Alexander and Olivia, official Spine Ninjas. But look at the back of it. Morse code key. The Morse code key. You can use that in the code breaking guide. Or is that the code breaking guide. Now, where's that decoder card? Did I leave that in there still? Yep. Alright, so now I'm gonna get to the other one. This one was the recruit mission kit, the Spine Ninja kit. But I'm about to get to the other cool one with something else. With a bunch of other cool things. And it also comes with a new, different type of book. Now, I'm going to open it. It's here. It looks exactly the same, but has different gadgets in it. Because if you guys watch the video, you should have seen this mask, right? I'll wear it and watch this. Hello, I am Project Zorgo Hacker Alex. Look at this. I was a Project Zorgo Hacker. But You might be asking if you watch Trinity. Oh, where's the Project Zorgo voice morpher? Where's the voice morpher? Here it is. Project Zorgo. I'm gonna record a message. Hit this red button right here. Oh, it's off. Turn it on. Alright. Hit this red button right here. Hello, my name is Alex, Project Zorgo Hacker. I'm gonna put on the mask and then hit the red play button. And then let's see what happens. And it's gonna sound like I'm a real Project Zorgo hacker. Let me turn it down a little bit. Now, watch this, guys.
Hello, my name is Alex, Project Zorgo Hacker.
Haha, that totally worked. Now it sounded like a Project Zorgo hacker.
Hello, my name is Alex, Project Zorgo Hacker.
I am one of the hackers. Alright, let's put that back in there. Let me check this time. Alright, I have to go back. It also plays, it also plays this blue button. It plays fart sounds and Project Zorgo sounds. Listen. That's a fart sound.
Attention all Project Zorgo members. Always remember, Project Zorgo is watching.
Yep, it plays the Project Zorgo leader. Attention all Project Zorgo members. Always remember, Project Zorgo is pooping. Yep. Oh boy, gotta turn it off before it loses battery. Oh, and also, speaking of battery, you have to put batteries in it before you use it, guys. And now, let's shut this. Yes? Nice. Oh, Olivia's here. Yay, guys.
Just a quick hello.
Just a quick hello from Olivia.
Because I have to go back to school.
Yeah, as I was showing you this. Oh, also, that's not all. I didn't only show you the mask and the void morpher. There's also one of these envelopes again.
And show them the other one.
I already showed them the other one.
Didn't you have to work
Here's the other one.
in class start at 10, 11?
13. I have 2 minutes. Alright, I have 2 minutes, guys. But anyways, this is the other one. The field training manual. And it also comes with the other two, which we already have showed you. The code breaking guide. But the field training manual is different, which we never had. Alright, so I'm going to put those books back and show you the rest. Because this also comes with a decoder wheel. It's just made of paper. This one also comes with a decoder wheel. It's made of paper. Look, you get it? I haven't really used any of them yet because I just got this one yesterday and I got this one last week. Alright. So let's show you what inside this. Which is why this is brand new. It looks brand new. As you can see, look, I told you that this was made of paper. This had a decoder wheel made of paper. The other one is made out of plastic, I think. And this one, of course, comes with the decoder card. Of course. And this is the Zorgo codes. You could write little stuff in here with Zorgo codes. And there's the decoder card with the Morse code key, of course, again. We got the Morse code key. And I haven't written down any of this yet on this, my name or anything. But that's what's inside this. Now let's put that back. Inside there it's supposed to go. And I'm pretty sure that's pretty much all there is to show you. Or is there more? Let me check. Nope, that's all there is to show you guys. The mask, the decoder wheel, the morpher, etc. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I have to go back to class now. So, anyways, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell button so you'll be notified when I post a brand new video on YouTube. See you guys next time. Bye. Wait, Olivia also wants to do the outro with me.
Because I just finished school, guys, so I want to do that.
Go to your
Okay.
class, Alex.
Anyways, I gotta. Okay.